Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DoorDash to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Log in to your DoorDash account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the Earnings tab. In the Earnings section, you will see your current balance displayed. Tap on the Cash Out button. Review the transfer options available. Select bank transfer from the available payout methods. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. If it's your first time setting up a bank account, tap on Add Bank Account. Input your bank account details as requested. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Once your bank account is added, return to the withdrawal screen. Select your linked bank account for the transfer. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw again. Review any fees associated with the transfer. Tap on the Confirm button to complete the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification confirming your cash out request. Funds usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, check the DoorDash Help Center for assistance. Make sure to keep your app updated for the best experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.